mambo maya, maya tena sana. Nani mambo maya, maya tena sana. Sisi hawa tumefika, Kenya mambo mbaya, mbaya tena sana. Kenya mambo mbaya, mbaya tena sana. Sisi hawa tumefika, wakauliza wapi jadi. Sisi hawa tumefika, nani mambo mbaya, mbaya tena sana. Nani mambo mbaya, mbaya tena sana. Sisi hawa tumefika, sisi hawa tumefika. Nani mambo mbaya, mbaya tena sana.
This mission, the Prime Minister, the Honourable Prime Minister, my friend, my brother, to come and say a bit of something about us and Haiti and invite His Excellency the President, who is the coach and the father of the team in Haiti. You're welcome, Your Excellency.
France, the Piblik of the UN, Force Commander and the senior officers and the entire force contingent, the EG, National Police, senior officers, the entire members of the National Police, other senior invited guests who are present here today ceremony, the members of the foreign state and the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. In the first instance, I want to thank God for giving us a great day.
Ask you to quickly adapt the Haiti's operating environment. This will enhance force protection and enable you to perform your duties effectively. Build cordial relationship with other troops, demonstrating operational competency and professionalism. As our President emphasized during his visit to Haiti in September last year, the mission is possible. Kenya, alongside other MSS mission troops, contributing countries, remain committed to supporting Haitians' journey towards regaining its glory. The National Police Service is ready to deploy the remaining officers, and the relief system is well in place. The Haitian people, the MSS mission stands as a beacon of hope of brighter future. Together we will make it a safe Haiti, secure and orderly country. I wish you all the best on your tour of duty. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Thank you very much. Before I forget, I was accompanied with some senior officers. This is the Samburu one man called Commandant GSU Lolmodon. Just raise your hand and say, Jambo.